Exploring the phrase, try it on for size. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to dive into an interesting English phrase, try it on for size. This expression is quite common in both spoken and written English, and understanding it can help you sound more like a native speaker. So, let's get started and explore what it means and how you can use it in your everyday conversations. The phrase, try it on for size, is used in a figurative sense to suggest testing or trying something to see if it fits or is suitable. Originally, this expression comes from literally trying on clothes to check if they fit. However, in everyday language, it goes beyond clothing and can apply to ideas, plans, or roles to see if they are appropriate or suitable for a person or situation. To help you understand better, let's look at a few examples. 1. In decision-making, you're not sure if you'll like volunteering at the animal shelter? Why don't you try it on for size and see how you feel after a day or two? 2. Considering a new idea, we're thinking about changing the layout of the office. Let's try it on for size in a small section before we make any big changes. 3. In personal choices, he's considering taking up guitar lessons. I told him to try it on for size and see if he enjoys playing music. This phrase is suitable for informal contexts, such as conversations with friends, family, or colleagues. It's a friendly, light-hearted way to suggest giving something a chance without committing to it fully. However, it might be too casual for formal or official communications. Try it on for size is a versatile phrase that adds a creative flair to your English. It encourages experimentation and openness to new experiences, whether they're about making personal choices or considering new ideas. We hope this video helps you understand and use try it on for size confidently in your conversations. Remember, language learning is all about practice, so don't hesitate to try new expressions on for size in your journey to mastering English. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next video.